Want to turn a messy list into a clean summarized report automatically? Stick around and I will show you how to combine unique and COUNTIF in Excel to do this in seconds.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So here you can see that I have a long list of items in which some items are repeating again and again. So I want to create the list of the item along with how many times they are repeating. For this purpose, under the items, I can make use of the unique function to create the unique list of the items. So here I will write equal and I will write unique. So in the syntax of the unique function, you can see that I need to provide the array. So I'll go to the first item and I'll press and hold Ctrl Shift down arrow to select all the items. Next, I will close the parentheses and hit enter. So the unique function created us the unique list of items. Next, we need to count them. For this purpose, here in this cell, I'll make use of the COUNTIF function. So I will write equal COUNTIF, and in the syntax of the COUNTIF, you can see that I need to provide two things, range and the criteria. The first thing, that is the range, is actually the whole data. So I'll go to the first item and again press and hold Ctrl Shift down arrow to select all the items. And next, after comma, I'll provide the criteria, and the criteria is the unique list of items. So I will select the list that we have created with the unique function, and next I need to close the parentheses and hit enter. So you can see that the items are now counted and our summarized table is ready. Another good thing about this table is that it is dynamic, that if I make any change in the parent data, for example, in this B7 cell, if I replace the bat with table, now you can see that the data is updated automatically. And that's how you build a dynamic summary table in Excel using unique and COUNTIF. If this helped you tidy up your data, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick Excel tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.